In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify shapes. We'll work in Figma and use the star shape as our example, then refine it using the count and ratio controls so you can get exactly the look you want. Start by going to Figma and opening a design file where you want to work. Once your canvas is ready, look at the toolbar for the shape menu. It often shows a rectangle icon by default. Click the drop-down to reveal all available shapes and select Star. Move your cursor onto the canvas, then click and drag to draw the star. If you want to keep its proportions steady while you draw, hold the Shift key as you drag. Release the mouse when you're happy with the basic size. With the star still selected, focus on the right-hand Properties panel. This is where Figma exposes shape-specific settings. For stars, you'll see two important controls: count and ratio. Count is the number of points on the star. Ratio controls how deep the inner corners cut into the shape, essentially the relationship between the inner and outer radius. Lower ratios make sharper, more dramatic spikes, while higher ratios produce a fuller, more polygon-like star. To modify the star, click into the Count field and enter a number. For a classic look, 5 is a great starting point. Want something more decorative? Try 8 or 12. Next, adjust the ratio. If you type in a lower percentage, the points will become longer and the notches deeper. If you raise the percentage, the shape becomes more compact and less spiky. Use the arrow keys in the input fields if you prefer small, precise increments, and watch the canvas update in real time. As you tweak these values, keep the star selected to see the immediate impact of each change. If you lose the selection, just click the star again and the controls will reappear in the panel. Don't worry about making a mistake. These edits are non-destructive, so you can keep adjusting until it looks right. If the star option isn't visible at first, click and hold the shape icon to expand the full list of shapes, then choose star from there. That's it. You went to Figma, added a star from the Shapes menu, and modified it by entering specific numbers for count and ratio. With these two controls, you can create anything from a simple 5-pointed star to a complex ornamental burst, all with precise, repeatable settings.